Hi guys, thanks for watching. So today's video is a power hour clean with me, and I realized the other night I don't think I've ever filmed a power hour, which is crazy because I've done so many videos. And so I thought I need to do one of those soon because I literally feel like my whole life is power hour cleaning, like just getting done as much as I possibly can as fast as I can. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Obviously the kitchen is destroyed behind me. I have a bunch of laundry I need to put away. I cleaned the shower the other day, but I forgot the door. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys the, what do you call it? I got like a thing for products in the shower. I know I've been talking about that a lot with you guys, like how I'm super picky about things like that, and I actually found one that's really affordable that I like, so I'll show that to you. And yeah, we're just gonna get done as much as we can in an hour, so I hope you enjoy this and find it really motivating. If you do, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and you want to join our fam. Write a comment down below. I will get back to you, and let's get started. And starting in the kitchen, almost as always in my videos, because it's just like the one room I just cannot stand when it's super messy. Things to put away from the grocery store last night. Several of you guys have sent me a message and said that you bought this through Grove because I recommended it and are obsessed with it too. So that makes me so happy when you guys like recommendations that I share with you. I've been obsessed with spicy guacamole. I know it's not healthy, but super good. A bunch of papers to put away, salt and pepper. We went to the Goodwill and donated stuff, so I think that's like a tax thing they have you hold on to. I made scrambled eggs. I didn't clean that up. Put away the microwave. I know I told you guys I'm not into the microwave, but I bought this. I caved, and I add Parmesan and mozzarella to it, so it's like super cheesy. Really, really good. Some dishes to wash, a bunch to put away from last night, and then we have an Instant Pot going right now. It's on like a 9-hour setting. It's a pork shoulder for pulled pork sandwiches. So good. I'm really excited to have that for dinner tonight. If there is a recipe, then I will link it below. I always get questions for recipes, so I'm gonna ask Chad and put it below if he has one.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay.
So many dishes, guys. I feel like it is a never-ending cycle. I'm always just standing right there in front of the sink washing dishes. Sometimes we cook 3 meals a day at home. We just are always cooking, so there's always things that have to be washed and taken care of, and so I'm just doing that right now. I'm going to get everything off the counters, and the purple water bottle front and center, I just bought that at the grocery store, and I recommend everyone get a huge water bottle so you are drinking a lot of water. I used to drink out of smaller bottles, but then I would lose count of how many I've actually had, so it's just been super helpful to make sure I get all my water. I know that's so cheesy, but we all should be drinking a lot of water. And then I'm putting away those chips that I've been addicted to, a bread pan. We just have like so much stuff on the counters that all needs to be put away. For my dish soap, I'm trying out the lilac scent from Mrs. Meyer's. I don't think this is a new scent. I'm pretty sure it's been around a while, but I haven't had a chance to try it until now, and I really like it. I just feel like it's super springy. I'm all about the spring vibes right now. As a lot of you guys know, I've been updating my wardrobe, and I'm just so ready for it, you guys. But I also am planning a spring home decor video with like simple spring home decor projects that are super easy and you can put them throughout your house, so definitely keep an eye out for that. I know you guys are always just waiting for my seasonal home decor videos, and that makes me so happy because those are one of my absolute favorite videos to film for you. And here is a container that I use for the juices that I make. I typically will make them about once a week. One is a celery juice and one's a carrot juice. And I put a few different things in them so that they taste really, really good. If you guys would like to see that in a video, then let me know down below. I'm thinking I could do like an easy ways to be healthy video. And I always make sure that they taste really good. I'm not about like suffering through something that doesn't taste good solely for the health benefits. I want it to taste good. So if you guys would like to see that, then let me know. I'm not sure, so I just want to make sure to ask, but I love having those on hand, and I just feel like they fill me up, and it's such a better option than soda on a daily basis or something sugary, because they will give you tons of nutrients. They're great for your skin and just for your overall health.
Always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there, heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me.
And now for the sea salt spray from Caldrea. I seriously am always looking forward to spraying this. I've been going through it pretty quickly. I'm over halfway through, and I literally will use this on any hard surface. Of course, on the kitchen counters, on the dining room table, coffee table, furniture in our bedroom, like wherever. In the bathroom, I use it on the counters. It just smells so good, and the smell will last and linger for hours, which is really great. It honestly smells like a candle or something. It's just super duper good.
I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. You're the one that I need. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you.
And those picture frames, you guys, this week, I really feel like it is the week. I have had those frames empty for an embarrassingly long time. I couldn't even get that out. I think it's been like 6 months at this point. It's ridiculous. So this week, I'm going to order photos for those frames. I know it has been so long, but as you know, we're always working on house projects, and I just would rather work on like a larger project that is way more time consuming than that. I just feel like it's more important. And then I look at those and I'm like, it's been too long. I need to just like figure it out and get it together. So this week is the week I finally will order photos for those frames, and you guys will see them soon.
I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like.
And while I'm on the topic of new things, you guys will finally see this wall with the rest of the entertainment center that has been sold out. We should have that in the next week or two. So those bookshelves will be higher up on the wall, and then the bottom will be the same color as the bookshelves. So happy that finally is in stock again. I just cannot wait to have an entertainment center on this wall and a bunch of shelving for whatever we decide to put there. My husband has so many books, and he wants to put a lot of books in the entertainment center, so stay tuned for that. That will be updated super soon too.
To the end of a one-way street, wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should feel a feeling whole lot better. I keep asking why? I have really tried. All the sleepless nights I counted hours. Gotta move on, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking why. fine. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Whoa, need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near.
And here is the shower organizer I was telling you guys about. I found this at a Marshall's for only $15, which is a really good deal because things like this are fairly expensive. So I found a deal and I jumped on it, and I think it's pretty cute. It does the job. And also, thumbs up this video if you are the only person who changes the toilet paper roll at your house. I'm so bummed that this is not like super in focus, but I just thought that was funny. I had to leave it in because I swear I'm the only one, and I wanted to see how Chad is doing with the KonMari's, and I was really surprised that it actually is super, I keep saying super, I always do that, but it's actually folded fairly well. It's not a total mess. I wasn't sure what I was going to open up to because I haven't really looked in here in a couple of days, so he's doing good so far. I'm just putting away some of his laundry, and then I'll move on to my laundry. That closet has been completely cleaned out for Chad. He's going to start putting his things in there, hopefully sooner than later, but he's always wanted a little more hanging space. So now he has an entire closet full and a million hangers. I used to be short on hangers, and now that I've been folding so many things, we have a lot of extra. So I should do a video like with him filling up his closet. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. And then I'm going to go into the other room, and I just did an entire video filling up this closet with you guys. It's an IKEA pack system. I show you the before, after, the whole process. That is actually the last video I posted, so if you haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. It is linked below. I'm moving on to vacuuming now, and I recently washed the filter that goes right here. I wanted to show this to you guys. If you have the same vacuum and it won't stay on, it just has that filter right there and it has to be washed. That's why I couldn't figure it out, so I just wanted to share that in case any of you guys were having the same problem. But I always have this vacuum down below, and tons of furniture is in the description box if you are new here. So like the dining room chairs and table and coffee table and couches and rugs and our bed, so many things are always linked below. I have like a home section in the description box for you. So yeah, just wanted to mention that too.
Make up on what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me.
Write in the comments if you guys have a very similar power hour routine, or if you do something completely different. I would love to know what you guys do, and I might alter my routine if you have some things in your routine that I know I should be doing in this hour. I also want to let you guys know, and this is super random, but I know I will get questions on it. Those slipper socks are from Forever 21. I also buy a lot of them at Target. I just love wearing slipper socks around the house. They are super comfortable.
I only care about your soft skin.
And that completes this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I don't know why I went like that. Give it a like, not a thumbs down if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new here. I have products down below, recent videos, so don't miss out on that. And I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.